Every single day, roughly 1.9 billion servings of Coca-Cola products are consumed around the world.
That's enough drinks to make the number almost impossible to visualize. But behind those billions of bottles, cans, and cups is a manufacturing system operating on a scale that looks less like a beverage company and more like a global engineering network. And there's a question hiding behind all that red branding. How do you make billions of identical drinks every day while keeping the taste, carbonation, and safety consistent across the planet? The answer involves concentrated ingredients, purified water, high-speed filling machines, precise carbonation, automated inspections, and a tightly controlled supply chain. Automated systems group bottles into cases with precision. Robotic arms palletize cases with speed and scale. Autonomous forklifts manage vast warehouse inventories, from factory to distribution to retail shelves. Today, we're going inside that process.
Subscribe to Factory Fields for more.
Coca-Cola says Dr. John Stith Pemberton created the drink in 1886. In 1919, Ernest Woodruff and investors, the Coca-Cola Company. Historical accounts state that documentation of the formula was used as collateral for financing. This documentation, not the secret recipe itself, was placed as collateral with the bank. The documents were secured in a vault. In 2011, Coca-Cola moved the vault containing the formula to the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta, where it became part of a permanent exhibit. But there's an important distinction. The vault is real. The secrecy is real. The exact modern formulation is not publicly disclosed. Coca-Cola itself describes the formula as its closely guarded trade secret. This confidential information is protected in corporate archives. Modern security systems safeguard these trade secrets. Formulas, processes, and non-public information are classified and protected. And legally, trade secret protection works very differently from a patent. A patent grants protection for generally 20 years, but it requires public disclosure of the invention. In contrast, a trade secret remains confidential. A trade secret can potentially remain protected indefinitely, endless timeline with no fixed expiration date after. So the famous mystery isn't that Coca-Cola discovered a loophole that lets a patent last forever. A trade secret can potentially remain protected indefinitely, endless timeline with no fixed expiration date. It's that the company chose secrecy instead of public disclosure.
Here's where the mystery becomes surprisingly straightforward, at least at the ingredient label level. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine.
Other markets use different formulations. Formulations can vary by market. Same brand, different formulation. And Coca-Cola itself says approximately 90% of Coca-Cola is water.
So what remains secret? What exactly is in the flavor blend?
The natural flavor component and its precise formulation. Precise formulation. Exact formulation, not publicly disclosed. The mystery is the exact composition, proportions, and manufacturing specifications behind that flavor system. And now comes the biggest misconception about the Coca-Cola factory. There isn't one factory, there is a system. A global bottling system. Concentrate is sent to regional bottlers who produce the finished beverages. This is how the system works. That gives us a much better picture. The company reported that beverages bearing its trademarks represented approximately 2.2 billion servings per day in its most recent annual reporting. Exactly how that treatment is configured depends on the plant, the local water supply, and the product.
Beverage plants can use combinations of filtration, activated carbon, membrane processes, ultraviolet treatment, and other purification technologies depending on their process requirements.
Remove unwanted contaminants, control the water's characteristics, and produce a consistent ingredient suitable for the finished beverage. A modern soft drink plant treats and controls its processed water according to the plant's source water, product specifications, and food safety requirements. What consumers don't see is the industrial control system behind them. Liquid ingredients can be metered into controlled batches or continuously flow meters, tanks, robotic controls. Industrial beverage production turns a recipe into a measurable process. Every ingredient is controlled and verified to be within specification. Carbon dioxide is dissolved into the beverage under controlled temperature and pressure. The beverage is mixed, cooled, and carbonated under controlled conditions before entering the packaging line. A modern can filler is essentially a precision machine built around one problem: correct fill, protect carbonation, maintain speed. A triumph of microscopic precision over enormous throughput. So here's the corrected version of the famous statistic.
Real machines, real throughput. Mechanical seam.
The seam has to create a reliable hermetic closure capable of protecting the product throughout its shelf life and distribution. The final stage is therefore not just manufacturing, it's logistics. The factory is only one part. From Pemberton to the vault, every step is precise. 6 ingredients. Precise flavor formulation. The industrial achievement is everything that surrounds it. Coca-Cola didn't become a global commodity merely because someone invented a formula in 1886. It became one because an enormous industrial network learned how to reproduce a controlled product, package it, distribute it, and sell it at extraordinary scale. The vault protects the mystery. The bottling system delivers the product.
2.2 billion servings per day in over 200 countries and territories.
So the next time you hear someone say, nobody knows what's actually in Coca-Cola, the answer is more interesting than the myth. We just don't know everything. And that missing piece is exactly what Coca-Cola has spent more than a century protecting.